So the next question from Aisha now. So what are some common Cypress commands used for interacting with web elements?
This is very important to know the common commands, and the common commands include cy.get for selecting elements, cy.click for clicking, cy.type for typing, and cy.contains for finding elements in by text. In the recent project, I have used cy.get to select elements based on CSS selectors, and cy.click to interact with button and links, cy.type to input text into form fields. For example, I automated to login process by selecting inputs field with cy.get and entering credential using cy.type and submitting the form with cy.click. Those commands were crucial for simulating user interaction and verifying UI functionalities in the application.
Got it. Yep, thank you.